Welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring one of the most exciting adventure bikes on the market, the Ducati DesertX, a motorcycle built for riders who won't leave the road behind. Adventure has a new name, and it's called the Ducati DesertX. At first glance, the DesertX looks rugged and futuristic, inspired by Dakar rally bikes. It comes with tall stand-slim bodywork and twin LED headlights that give a bold, aggressive face. The 21-inch front wheel and 18-inch rear wheel emphasize its off-road DNA. Ready to push limits? This engine was built to take you further. Under the seat sits a 937 cubic centimeters Testastretta 11 degrees L-twin engine, producing around 110 horsepower and 92 newton-meters of torque. The Ducati DesertX sits in the premium adventure category, with prices typically starting around $17,000 to $18,000. Would you take this bike across deserts, mountains, or city streets? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more rides like this one. Adventure is calling. The Ducati DesertX is your answer